write a book once, and earn money forever. You've heard that, right? That's the dream, but it's also the biggest lie in publishing. The idea sounds perfect. You write one book, upload it, sit back, and money just comes in. No boss, no deadlines, no extra work. Here's what actually happens. You publish your book. It might get a small push, maybe a few sales. Then slowly, it disappears. Because new books keep coming in every single day. Books don't sell because they exist. They sell because people see them, and visibility doesn't stay. You have to maintain it. That means updates, better covers, ads, content, or more books. Let's say your book makes 20 sales in the first week. Sounds good. But next week, it drops to 5, then 2, then maybe 0. Not because the book is bad, because attention moved on. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Books can become passive income, but only after active effort. You build momentum, you create visibility, you stack books. Then it starts feeling passive, but it never starts that way. Follow Global Book Publishing for more real publishing insights.